Hello everybody to lesson 29 of CSS for attractive design. In this lesson we will talk about the 3D. In the previous lesson we talked about the 2D transforms. The 2D and 3D, they are similar, but there's a little different. The 2D means two dimensions, the X and the Y, the horizontal and the vertical. But the 3D means the horizontal, the vertical, and we have the deep, okay? So which is Z. So we have X, Y, and also Z, which our world reality contains of 3D elements. Okay, so let's go and see what we have. In the previous lessons, we understand the rotate, how is it, and how to control the rotating of something like that. In our lesson, we will talk about the rotate, for example, of X and Y and Z. So let's write it. Rotate X, okay, and let's increase the size. Let's say it would be 80. Great. 80 means the angle is 80. Let's refresh and see what we have. So here we have. So we rotated the element with X. You could see it's like it's making a circle around the element. Around the horizontal line. So you could see now it's small. When you increase it, it will be smaller, 60 for example. Now it would be smaller, the text, it would be like it's sleeping or it's throwing to the ground, so it would be smaller and smaller. And for example, if I write 9, it would be like a line. If we see it like that, it would be like it's a line. Okay, save it, reload it. So look, it's like a line. Okay, it exists, but it's look like a line because we have the rotate X. If we have written rotate Y, it would be the same thing. It's like a line but in the vertical side. So let's refresh. It's like a line but in the vertical side. If we change it and we write, for example, for the Z, okay, so here Z and here Z, it will be also like the line but in the, no, it's not like a line, it would be rotated in the deep. Okay, so you could see here how it's rotated in the D, in the Z, it's the last element. So this is about 3D. So the 3D contains our life, and we will know these transformations in the JavaScript, because the JavaScript we will make animations. For example, we will move one element from one place to another place. For example, we could say that I will change this for the rotate, the normal rotate, for example, and I will say when we hover, we should know that what is the benefit of using these things. We could say the element is like that. Okay, sorry, I'll duplicate it so that we could give the same style except the transform. Save it. Look, for example, if I hover this element, it should be have transform, rotated. Okay, imagine you need, when he hover over something or click something, do some action. Okay, for example here, rotating or doing something. So this thing we will know it in JavaScript. So for now, it's enough for you to know that these elements control the transformations of the HTML element with CSS. It's enough for now, and see you in the next videos. Thanks for listening. See you again. Bye.